You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt.
I'm late to go get my carpet cleaned, and my parents are coming today to get my washer and dryer. I had bought a new washer and dryer last year, and I tried to bring it to this new apartment, but they wouldn't let me. They're like, they have no place to store the washer and dryer. So my parents are coming to pick that up. I'm actually just giving it to them so they can have it. I was thinking about selling it, but I'm just giving it to my parents. So I'm on my way now. I have a protein shake for breakfast as usual. And I feel like because I haven't been uploading and I'm just really upset about it, y'all are probably going to see this like a month or a month and a half after I actually film it, because today is March 14th. I'm sure y'all not going to see this until the end of the month. Hey guys, so literally I should have recorded it because the process was so funny of us trying to load that car. I had found a really good deal for like $150. I think it's a good deal, but I guess my parents they don't. I was like, oh, they can help us like get it in the truck for $150, and he was like, no. So they came. I wish I had recorded it because it was really, really funny. Of all four of us, my mom, my dad, me, and my sister, trying to put, you know, the washer and dryer in the car. So they came. So fortunately, I'm now able to use like kind of like the full space. I had a lot of boxes in the bathroom, which has now been taken care of. Like they were in the bathtub, just everywhere. So they've taken that. And then of course, like I'm trying to I'm going to consider getting an island for this area. Yeah. And then I think I'm going to do my wallpaper today. I'm trying to see if someone can help me, and if no one can, I do it myself. I'm going to do my wallpaper and put my bed together. Yeah, this is going to be a lot of work today. So I'll probably end up going to the gym at night, really. I think that's reasonable. What y'all think? I think that's reasonable. So yeah, I really wanted to record a lot of videos today, but like the way I'm set up, I refuse to like record. I really just refuse to like do anything fun until I've gotten the hard work done. So I need to put my bed together and have all this stuff, that way I can arrange, and then we can start recording videos. I miss my mommy and my daddy. I really do. Like, I'm sad that they're gone. I'm gonna eat a snack, watch TV for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do my whole entire room. Hey Wesley, there should be a wallpaper thing over there. Could you help me get it?
Wallpaper thing where?
Like a wallpaper kit. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Could you help me? No one. This is really thick. So it says leave it for 3 minutes. Oh, this thing is so cheap. What the fuck?
No, they do that because I guess you can wash this.
This?
Yeah, you can put it on top of it.
Alright guys, mixing. It says leave it for 3 minutes. And then we're gonna get started. We have to move my bed out of my bedroom. So we're putting it on this back wall right here. For us to be able to reach the wall, we have to move my bed. Okay, maybe we don't have to move it out the bedroom, but... Well, we're gonna have to move it out the bedroom because after this, I'm gonna put my bed together.
No, we just flip the mattress over. We're not moving the bed.
We're moving it! It's my bed!
What kind?
Well, we can flip it against this wall.
That's what I was saying.
What are you gonna say? Work smarter, not harder?
Yeah. Well, you bit into it. So
I'm short, and I thought I was gonna be doing this by myself. So I bought this from Target. I mean, from from Lowe's. And I'm actually going to use it and return it because I have no use for it. Is that bad? All right, y'all. We are ready to start. Man, these ceilings are high. Hopefully this doesn't take as long as I think it's going to. Okay. The first thing we're going to do, you guys, is we're gonna paste the wall. So the kind of wallpaper I got, you only need to paste the wall. You don't have to paste the actual wallpaper. And I got it from Graham & Brown. And basically it's like I wanted a black accent wall, but this one is like a black crocodile skin maybe type thing, and it's textured, so it's really, really nice. If you guys can't see it. It's the next afternoon. I woke up really late this morning, around like 10:30. I never wake up this late, but I don't know. Sometimes when I'm not feeling well, my body will force me to sleep, and I think that's what I really needed, honestly. But I also didn't go to sleep until around 1 or 2, so I guess I still got like a full 8 hours. So here's my wall. It looks so good. I didn't match up the patterns. From here, it doesn't look that bad. Like, you can barely see the seams, so I did a pretty good job. But when you look at it from this side, like over here, you can kind of see the white wall. So I didn't do that good a job there. Like, from over here, you can see some of the seams, but from the other side, you really can't. And all of this is going to be blocked off. All of this is going to be blocked off by my bed anyway. Like, you can kind of see the seams opening up there. So I didn't do that well a job on the upside, but it's not that obvious, so we're not just going to worry about it. Basically 10 p.m. on a Monday night, and I finished my bed. I mean, my wall yesterday. A few pieces like started to come up and I didn't have any more paste, so I put the tape there. We're not going to see it, so I don't really care. So right now, this is my current bed frame. I have my new one over here. So I've been trying to sell this for a while. Somebody wants to give me 75, but I really just want 100, so I think I'll wait. So I'm going to put my bed together because I slept on my couch last night and I'm just not doing that again. I have a nice ass bed for a reason. So I will not be sleeping out on my couch any longer.